On the next day, in my bed, in my home, sweet home, California, hallelujah. Hey, hey, yeah, you can feel right. Think we need nothing. Everything we need. Everything that we do. We need nothing that we don't. Whoa. I freaking give up. The devil's right now. Oh, damn it. Whoa, it's an earthquake. Run. Not my phone. I gotta get it. I got you. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Okay, you're fine. You're fine, Cameron. You're fine. You're gonna be okay. You're okay. Oh. 10. 1 hour later. I'm awake. But where am I? I'm still at my home. Tricked.